Hey everyone, JT's Daddy 21 back again. Here we go with box 11 of UD Premier 2008-2009 basketball. This will be box ID. Let me cut this out of the way so we get to it. There we go. Two, three, four, five, six, 7 cards, all accounted for. Here we go. Card number 1. Our base card is Monte Ellis, number 92 of 99. Next card. Walter Sharp rookie card, quad jersey auto, number 2, 199. Next card, another rookie of Maurice Spites, number 2, 199. Quad jersey autograph. Next card, manufactured patch of Jerry West, number 3450. Next card, quad jersey of Rudy Gay and Mike Conley, numbered 4 of 25. Next we have, let's see, quad jersey of Carlos Boozer. I think maybe 1 patch over here. 2 jerseys, numbered 2 of 25. And our last card, Mark Price autograph jersey, numbered 2450. Alright, thanks a lot. Bye.